There's a wide range of predictions for the price of Bitcoin in 2030. Some analysts believe that it could reach 1 million or more, while others believe that it could be worth much less. Here are some examples of predictions from different sources. ARK Invest, $600,000, base case, to $1.5 million, bull case. By 2030. ARK Invest, Bitcoin ETF. Approval strengthens bull case for Bitcoin, says ARK Invest's Kathy Wood, ATPS. www.nasdaq.com, market activity ETF, ARKI, real-time, ATPS. w.nasdaq.com, market activity ETF, ARKI, real-time. Coin Codex, up to $427,000 by the end of 2025, Techopedia, Bitcoin price prediction. 2024, 2025, 2030, https www.techopedia.com, cryptocurrency price prediction. https www.techopedia.com, cryptocurrency price prediction. Binance, 89,163.8 by 2030. Binance, Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction. Binance, https www.binance.com, end price prediction Bitcoin, https www.binance.com, end price prediction Bitcoin. It is important to remember that these are just predictions, and the actual price of Bitcoin in 2030 could be much higher or lower. If you are considering investing in Bitcoin, it is important to do your own research and understand the risks involved.